Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel One to Step. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a LinkedIn account permanently. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to launch the LinkedIn app on your phone. Once you do that, then on the top left of your screen, you can see this user icon. Tap on it. Then you have to go to settings at the bottom of your screen. Once you do that, in few seconds, you can see there's account preferences, sign-in and security, visibility, etc. on the settings. Select account preferences. Under account preferences, you have to scroll down. At the end, there's close account option. You can also hibernate account, but this is about deleting it. So select close account and tap on continue. Now you have to select the reason for closing your account. Type in your LinkedIn's password and check the box and tap on done. Once you do that, it's gonna take a few seconds and that's it. That's how you delete your LinkedIn account permanently. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.